Ciao everybody and welcome to Lingua Franca. Today's video is gonna be a bit different. Come with me. I opened Lingua Franca because I love languages and I hate the way they teach languages in school as much as I love languages. Languages are alive. Of course, you might not be able to actually experience Italian right now, especially with, the time being, the coronavirus and everything. Why am I telling you this? Because I don't want this channel to become filled only with frontal lesson style videos where it's me speaking to you like in a scholastic environment. I mean, you've probably studied a second language at school. Can you use it? Do you remember any of it? In my opinion, to truly learn a language, you have to create some kind of connection between you and the place where that language is spoken. So, here's the idea. I would like to start making also videos where I bring you with me and I show you places in Italy, while still carrying on teaching you Italian, of course. This way, we can have a much more entertaining channel without losing the learning part. To try that out, I'm here in Superga today, which is a church just outside of Turin. Let me show you some of it. Superga is actually the name of the hill we're standing on right now. That one is the Basilica di Superga, a very big church built in the 1700s and, well, look around, one of the most beautiful places in Turin. Superga is also known for a very sad reason. In 1949, in fact, a plane with all of Turin's football team crashed on the side of this very hill. This is their memorial. Motorbike in the background. This was Superga. I hope you liked today's video. Let me know your thoughts in a comment here below and I'll see you in the next one. Buon italiano a tutti!